The experts behind Garden Safe brand know home gardening is as much about how you grow as what you grow. Our Garden Safe Brand Fungicide3 formula is designed for organic gardening using an active ingredient called clarified hydrophobic extract of neem oil. Neem oil extract has provided pest protection to gardens around the world for centuries, and it's still a trusted solution for today's organic gardeners. Garden Safe Brand Fungicide3 formula harnesses the innate power of neem oil to provide triple plant protection against fungus, insects, and mites. Use it on roses, flowers, houseplants, ornamental trees and shrubs, fruits, and vegetables to control fungal diseases like black spot, rust, and powdery mildew, insects like aphids and whiteflies, and spider mites. To use, shake well and spray thoroughly on all plant parts, including the underside of leaves. As with other pest control products, time applications to early morning or late evening to minimize the potential for leaf burn. This product can be applied every 1 to 2 weeks up to the day of harvest. With Garden Safe Brand Fungicide3 formula, you can keep pest and disease control simple and let nature do the rest. Let goodness grow.